Hello, I am Adrian. Let's talk about how to make a Korean sentence today. So we have subject, object, and verb. So we have subject here. 저는 친구를 만나요. I meet my friend. 저는 subject. 친구를 object. 만나요 verb. subject, object, and verb. Okay? 동생은 음악을 들어요. My younger brother or younger sister listens to music. Subject, object, and verb. Okay? 엄마는 한국어를 공부해요. My mom studies Korean. 엄마는 subject, 한국어를 object, 공부해요 verb. Okay? Subject, object, and verb. 아빠는 텔레비전을 봐요. My daddy watches television. Subject, object, and verb. Okay? So, subject, and we have 는 and we have 은. If the noun in the subject position doesn't have a 받침, we use 는. If the noun in the subject position, okay, finish in consonant, we add 은. Okay? So 는, we use 는 here because ma, there's no consonant. 빠, there's no consonant. Okay? But 생 has the consonant. We use 은. And then we use in the object position, we can have nouns. And if the last letter of the noun doesn't have a 받침, we add 를. So 한국어, there's no 받침. We add 를. But here, 음악, which is music, the word finish in consonant here. Okay, so that's why we add 을. Television, this television, and the last letter, okay, has the 받침. That's why we add 을. Okay? But if you think it's too difficult to use 는, 은, 를, 을, just try to have the main noun in the subject position and main noun in the object positions, and you add verbs. Okay? This is the way you can start making Korean sentence. Okay? Try. Show me your sentences.